evening. So yesterday we analyzed the market and we were in a put trade from here and we exited over here, which was profit. And then we said I think the market will be coming till here or somewhere. Okay, that the trade will be continuing here and it will be bouncing from here. We just analyzed like that yesterday. But what happened today is that the market gap down open. Market was gap down in the morning and it just retraced back to that level. Yesterday's PDL area or for the demand zone area in which the sell-off happened. So we were not having any new entries. Actually, if we were carry forwarding the put entries, we would have profited till here or till here, the open price. Okay, I will tell about this line later. So, but what I do is that today is an expiry day and the India which is almost too much high. So the decay will be too much. So I thought, okay, I never want to carry forward the put option. So we'll take a new trade. Okay. So today, when the market opened, it just shooted up, retraced back. We were not having any setups. So before that, once I saw this weak side, everything, I was trying to mark a low where could be our sell side. So I marked two side. One side was here and the second side was here. As you can see, there was a lots of lows, but we don't want to mark over there. We just want to mark where the sell side could be. Over this sell side, this point has taken down, but this point has not yet taken down. So this could be our sell side. Here also the same idea. So this could be our sell side. Okay. And eventually what happened is that market just retraced upwards and came back, in which we have a nice displacement over here. 5 minute displacement, but we didn't even got any candle retrace to here. It was a huge sell-off and the price just continuously dropping down over here to our sell side area. Okay, after this candle I was pretty sure that it will be just sideways and it will be just taking out this low. Okay, so after this candle it takes out the low and it just bounced back from the sell side area after taking out the SLs. Okay, so we are just marking out this area. Okay, this high, I'm not telling anything, I'm just marking out the where could be the liquidity areas. Okay, so I was just waiting, actually I was just waiting for the price to come like this and tapping this area. I would have taken an P entry, I mean put entry, then I would have waiting for price to reach here. But what happened is that after the Asian session, the price was just consolidating after 11th, as you I have mentioned in the first video. After the Asian section from 11 to 12:30, I don't used to trade in that section because, as we say, it is an accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Okay, so accumulation happened here. Here is the manipulation things happening, and this is the distribution. Okay, so after the Asian session, I mean 20, yeah, this was the Asian low. And what happened is that after 11 o'clock, the market was completely sideways. Okay, here comes the manipulation number one, which had taken this liquidity area. If the price was sustaining and reaching here, then it was a better option for put side, but it didn't. It was completely sideways, 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 sideways. And what happens here is that the London session opens 12:30. Okay, after the London session opens, the price just boosted. I mean, it retraced towards the buying range, but eventually what happened is that it never even tapped this buy set. Okay, it was just in inside the Asian session and it was continuously sideways, sideways, sideways. There was no displacement for us to take any put entries, even though it was in the below Asian lower below our sell side area, everything. So what happened is that I marked this low as my just 1 second. Okay, this low, because this is the range, this was the high, this was the low in which the manipulation, this was the Asian just a small swing high, this is the manipulation bottom. Okay, so this was the range. So I took a decision. The market is continuously sideways. Once it shifted and reversed back, I will take a put, or it should break down in a displacement and close below this range. We can target here. So what happened is that at 3 o'clock, yeah, 2 o'clock, yeah, this here we got a displacement. In the 5 minute we got a displacement. Okay, even though in the 15 minute the candle was just going down, came up over here. This candle itself is a bearish candle. Okay, let it be. So in this displacement, we can short entry. I already posted the chart when it was like trading over here or something in the front page. Like if it is showing a bearish candle, then we can short over here and we can keep a target. The same happened. The price closed below. I waited for another candle. Here we have a displacement 5-minute FVG. The another candle retraced back. Then the very next candle, what happened is that it went upside. I'm not telling you to short over here. The candle should close below the FVG with an the red candle. That obviously means a bearish candle. This was a bearish candle. So I just waited because the candle was closed here, and the next candle retraced back to our area. I'm not telling I just shorted over in the tip of here. No, never. You remember this line. This was the low. I entered in this low and kept my SL over here. This candle is high. Actually, we can keep SL over here also, but never mind, because India which is high, because it can shoot the wicks and take our SLs. So I just kept our SL over here, and our target was like this much. Only 1:2, but it's okay because we already have a lot of drop down and a consolidation, and it's the liquidity area to suit, and see how the price reacted. The candle closed below, the price retraced and suddenly fall to our target. Okay, we don't want to catch all this moment. We just want to trade in our proper setup. And after reaching the target, okay, we just exited everything. This was a good setup actually. We waited all the time and we took a trade over here and we exited in a good profit over here. So this was a good trade setup. Okay, so what happens is that after coming to this area, the price eventually started shooting upwards because here it has a liquidity. As you know, here there are lots of stop loss orders. So market just started stop loss orders all over here. Once we go in the one minute time frame, as you can see, the market structure went up, came down, went up, came down, came down, and taken out this high, taken out this high and retraced back and move upwards. That doesn't mean market will be continuously going upwards. So I am eagerly waiting for the price to retrace back to this level. This will be our buy side. Our displacement area will be here. Okay, once we can draw a Fibonacci over from the day high to the day low. Okay, this is our buy side. There are lots of short sellers orders are here to execute. Okay, this is our first area of the target, because this will act as a support, a good support. This will definitely be acting as a good support. Okay, this is the second SL where the price, I'm not telling the market will be coming here and sweeping downwards. No, we will be just analyzing the market because we are not taking any calls from here. Even though we are having a displacement candle, we are having a FVG, everything is there, we are not taking anything. We need a proper setup because this is the high. In between the noise, we are not taking any trades. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the market to retrace back. It's here, the market is closed. Maybe tomorrow gap down, then we'll be trading in another methods. So what I'm waiting is I need a sweep up over here. I need to take this displacement and I'm not taking trade over here. Let the market come down, close below this level or close below this FVG. The best way, close below this level, and then we'll take a trade. First target is over here, 48,550 is the first target. If we are getting a sweep like this and a retracement, we can expect a bounce still here, but I'm not pretty sure. But this much I'm sure the price will be reacting like that, I hope. Okay, if not, the second buy side is over here. Okay, if the price is not closing below this level, I mean with the displacement it should close, and we need a character change also. Okay, so if it is not getting an option like that, if it is continuously moving like this, then we will be shorting here. Once this buy side liquidity is taken out, I will draw once more. Once the price is reaching over here, if this liquidity is taken out and forms an reverse candle with an displacement, we can short here. Okay, because it is below our buy side, we are having an imbalance, then we can short and get a target till here. I'm not, if it is reaching there, then I'm not targeting here. I'll be just targeting here, or maybe I will be getting some imbalances over here, then I'll be reaching the target over here. Let's say we'll update in the trading sessions. So for now, tomorrow's plan is like this. We'll be sweeping over here and we'll with a displacement put entries. I'm not taking any call entries because it is an India which is too much high. Okay, so I hope you understand today's trade. It was a good displacement over here after a consolidation. It was a good displacement and we got a signal. This was a bearish candle and it retraced back to the price line. Our SL was here and our target was here. We achieved 146 points. Maybe in the premium it will be like we can got almost 60 to 70 points. That is good actually. Okay, it's not how much points, so it's not how much we are targeting. It's always about the setups in which we are trading. The setups which we are following should be profitable eventually. Yeah, that means consistency is the key. I'm not telling I hold it till this point. I somehow exited over here, I guess, because I don't want to liquidate this much area because the premium will be almost same here and here. It's just 2 or 3 points difference. Never mind. Okay, so this is the plan. So tomorrow we'll be waiting for the market to short. We are not going any longs. The market will be going long over here, then only we can short, but that doesn't mean we need to enter in the long position to reach there. If it is reaching there, then we'll take the trade. That's the plan. Okay, so I hope we'll see you tomorrow.